Now we got to talk about this weather and the temperatures dropping and ringing in this new year, and maybe we don't want to do it outside.
Yeah, outside's questionable. It depends. It's not the worst New Year's Eve we've had. It's not the best either.
Okay,
So, that's what I got for you. We are going to see conditions really dropping as we go through New Year's Eve night. At midnight, we're looking at temperatures mostly still above the freezing mark, but we will have an ongoing shift from rain to snow, and that shift is going to continue as we go through the rest of that night and into New Year's Day itself. So something to keep in mind, especially if you have plans to be out late, especially the further west you are. With that rain changing over to snow, you might encounter some slick roads and maybe some slow travel out there. So plan accordingly. Either way, by the time we get there, we're going to miss sunshine, and we did see some of that out there earlier today. It was a nice sight, and it really helped give us a little bit of a boost in our temperatures. It made the change not as harsh to have some sun and above average temperatures. 45 degrees still the case for Cleveland. Winds are still coming in from the southwest at about 12 miles per hour. Those are going to continue to ease up as we go through the rest of the evening and overnight. With mostly clear skies now, our temperatures will be dropping as we go through the evening hours here, but the next system is not far off. We've got clouds, rain, and snow off to our west, and this is all going to be moving our way, and it's going to bring a big drop in temperatures and really set us up for some more winter-like conditions, drastically more winter-like conditions as we get into January. So for tonight, we're clear initially. Clouds will be building back in. Temperatures drop back into the 30s. I think we stay mostly dry as we go through the overnight hours. It's as we get into tomorrow morning, we're going to watch that rain arriving. With your National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast, earlier you're up and out the door, better chance to have some dry conditions. Rain moves in as we go through the morning hours. We're going to call it at least some steady to scattered showers for much of the day. Should be all in the form of rain as we get our highs up into the 40s again, but primarily rain all the way through the afternoon, even into much of the evening. We'll keep this as rainfall for any plans you might have. So once we get towards midnight, that those temperatures will be dropping. So we'll see 30s moving in, and as those temperatures drop, we get that changeover from rain to snow. That'll likely happen west to east as we go through the overnight hours. And by Wednesday morning, we are all in that snow and cold. We'll see some lingering snow showers early Wednesday, and then we'll see that tapering off to more lake effect focused snow, especially as we get into the afternoon and evening. Temperature is going to be very different. We're going to struggle in the 30s as we go through the day on Wednesday. So pretty much an instant changeover to those winter-like conditions, and those are going to be sticking around Wednesday night heading into Thursday as well. And really the rest of next week is going to be very winter-like for us, the rest of that foreseeable forecast at this point. As far as any snow totals, what we initially see Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, it's not going to be too impactful for totals. What we see from lake effect could really add up, especially for areas of the primary snow belt. We could see a few inches of snow there, and we are going to watch additional snow potential for the rest of the week with that lake effect. We do have some winter storm watches in place for those primary snow belt areas. With some gusty winds, we could also have some blowing and drifting of the snow that does fall. The rest of your Union Home Mortgage extended forecast again beyond tomorrow. Temperatures are back into the realm of winter very quickly. We're back into the 20s, 30s, and that's going to mean we keep any precipitation chance as snow rather than rain, guys.
Okay.
All right, well, thank you.